Hello friends, welcome to the VDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today, we are going to create a reverse text animation intro using CapCut. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. I have imported a video to the timeline. Reduce the duration of the video to 6 seconds. Add a default text from the text. Change the font type and reduce the size of the text. Add some text. I've selected a word from the text and changed the color of that word. Add glow to the text. Increase the range value to 100% and set the glow color to white. Make the text curve by enabling the curve option. Create a duplicate copy of the text using the Alt plus left mouse button. Go to the curve option and change the strength value to -72 degrees. Set the position of the text accordingly. Select the text which placed on the top. Go to the Animation in tab. Select the animation type 2. Increase the duration of the animation to 3 seconds. Adjust the duration of the text with the video. Now create a duplicate copy of the second text and place it after that text. Select the second text. Go to the Animation Out tab. Select the animation type 2. Increase the duration of the animation to 3 seconds. Select the second text. Create a compound clip using the right mouse button. Select the compound clip and reverse it by clicking the reverse button. Wait until the process is complete. Select the text which placed on the top and go to the Animation Out tab. Select the animation type 2 and increase the duration of the animation to 2 seconds. Select another text and go to the Animation in tab. Select the animation type 2 and increase the duration of the animation to 2 seconds. Select the text and create another compound clip. Also reverse the second compound clip. That's all from this tutorial. Play the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.